Right, so I was doing a little sig fig mini review and I got cut off because I don't have a whole lot of memory on my phone, but we have leading, captive, and trailing zeros. Leading never count no matter if there's a decimal there or not. Captive always count no matter if there's a decimal there or not. Trailing, it might count, it might not. It depends on if there's a decimal there. So this is the only time the decimal matters. If there's no decimal, it doesn't count. If there is a decimal, it does count. And so then I gave you some examples, and let's see, I'm going to go ahead and apply color to the rest of these guys. So we'll make captives yellow. So leadings are orange, captives are yellow, and then let's make trailing with a decimal dark blue. And trailing without a decimal, light blue. So then we've got this problem right here in which I tried to mix things up. Well, these guys, sorry, I just scooted my thing here and made a mess. All right, so these guys are leading, so they do not count. And then we know that this one counts, and this one counts, and this one counts because they aren't zeros. This one is captive, and these two are captive, so they do count. So let me put a C for captive, and a C and a C for captive, and I'm going to underline them because they do count. And then these are trailing. Are they trailing with or without a decimal? Here's a decimal right here. May be far from it, but it's still a decimal. So these are trailing, and they do count. I'm just going to put one big T here. I'm going to underline it 3 times because it counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sig figs. Now I'm going to do one more that shows a mixture as well, but uses these trailing ones without a decimal. 102 million? 3,000? Okay, so we know this, this, and this are going to count because they are not, they're not zeros. So here and here we have captives. Captives count. Here we've got a trailing. Is there any decimal involved? Nope, just commas. So this one is trailing, and trailings don't count, so I'm not going to underline them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sig figs. Don't forget you can slow me down by going to the lower right hand corner to settings and altering the playback speed. I'll see you in the next one.